Vampire Tools' mission is to bring unique and technology-driven tools of the highest quality to businesses, consumers, and do-it-yourselfers. The high quality is reflected in each tool through the material, manufacturing, and special processing used to create them. Today we are going to talk about the 8-inch fiber optic Kevlar shears. These 8-inch shears are specially designed for cutting materials made from aramid and para-aramid fibers, such as Kevlar, Dyneema, Vectran, and Technora in rope, ribbon, tape, or fabric form. It can also be used to cut materials made from carbon fiber, glass fiber, Dacron, plastic, canvas, vinyl, leather, and many such materials. The blades are made of high carbon alloy steel infused with molybdenum and vanadium at the edges to achieve hardness to cut strong materials. One blade is micro-serrated along the whole edge to avoid slippage. The non-serrated blade can be sharpened for extended use. Ordinary scissors have no tang. These shears have extended tang for durability and efficient force transfer. The handles are specially designed for firm grip and to ease repetitive cutting action. Pick yours up today.